Hello everyone and welcome to your channel. So today we are going to start with equation of line part 4. See, in this video we'll be only discussing questions because all the concepts related to this chapter we have discussed in part 1, part 2 and part 3 video. So before if you are watching this video, so please do watch the part 1, part 2 and part 3 videos and then only you will be able to solve these questions. The link for part 1, part 2 and part 3 video is shared in the description box. Now the question is, find slope and y-intercept of line. We know when we have to find equation of line with slope and y-intercept, so we have to bring that equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. We have studied in part 3 video. So what we'll do, we'll reduce this equation in this form only. So it's minus 3y, so 3y will be shifted to that side. 3y equals 2x minus 4, y will be what? 2 by 3x minus 4 by 3. Since they told y-intercept, so इसलिए हमने क्या किया, y is equals to mx plus c. We have brought this equation in this form. Now we'll compare it. So m is what? 2 by 3. This is slope. C, y-intercept. If we say c is what? Intercept. So it is y-intercept. Y-intercept is what? Minus 4 by 3. We can write it as c also. Now see next question. All the questions which we are solving over here, their concepts we have studied in part 1, part 2 and part 3 video. Find equation of line passing through this point, that is 2 minus 1. So we have to find equation of line which is passing through point x1 y1 and that x1 y1 point is what? 2 minus 1 and parallel to this line. So अगर इस line के parallel है, that means we have to find the slope of this line, and if it is parallel to this line, so slope will be equal for both the lines. So we'll get indirectly slope for this line. Now we'll reduce this equation in this form only. Y is equals to mx plus c. So y is equals to 2x plus 4. On comparing with y is equals to mx plus c, hence m is what? 2. So for this equation which is required to be find out, for this equation m is what? 2. Now we know if point and slope is given to us, equation becomes y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1. y1 is minus 1, so it will be plus 1, m is 2, x minus 2. Y plus 1 equal 2x minus 4, thus y is equals to 2x. 1 will be shifted to that side, thus we'll get what? Y is equals to 2x minus 5. So this is a required equation of line passing through the point 2 minus 1 and this equation of line. This line is parallel to this equation of line. So now the question is, find equation of line passing through point minus 2, 3 and is perpendicular to this line. We have to find equation of line which is passing through this point and that equation of line is perpendicular to this equation of line. So again, perpendicular concept we studied already in part 2 video. Perpendicular, if two lines are perpendicular, then m1 m2 is what? Minus 1. So we'll reduce this equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So we'll get 3y equal minus 2x minus 4, thus y is equals to minus 2 by 3x minus 4 by 3. So m is what? Minus 2 by 3. We can consider this as m1. So m1 is minus 2 by 3 into m2 is, we have to calculate m2. So m2 will be what? 3 by 2 because minus and minus will be plus. So m2 will be 3 by 2. Now we are provided with this slope and we are provided with this point. So equation of line formula again same, y minus 3, y minus y1, y1 is 3, m is 3 by 2, x minus x1, minus minus plus 2. So 2 will go here, 2y minus 6 equal 3x plus 6. So the equation will be 2y equal 3x plus 12. So this is required equation of line which is passing through the point this and is perpendicular to line. 2x plus 3y plus 4 equals 0. Now next question, see, ABCD is rhombus. What is given to us? ABCD rhombus, and the coordinate of A and C are given. This ABCD is rhombus, coordinate of A is 3, 6 and coordinate of C is minus 1, 2. We have to find equation for BD. See, here we can easily find the slope of this line, and we know in rhombus these diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So its solution will be slope of AC. AC line का slope क्या आएगा? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it will be 6 minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Thus it will be 4 by 4. So slope of AC is 1. Now slope of BD, तो BD का slope क्या हो जाएगा? इसका reciprocal and negative, because we know, again I'll write m1 minus m1 into m2 is what? Minus 1. So it will be minus 1 by 1. Thus slope of BD is 1. Now इस BD line का हमको क्या पता चल गया? Slope which is minus 1. अब हमको क्या चाहिए? एक पॉइंट चाहिए. सो वी नो कि डायगोनल्स एक दूसरे को बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. अगर हम ये ओ पॉइंट अगर हमको मिल जाए तो दिस ओ इज व्हाट? मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस पॉइंट O विल बी व्हाट? दिस O इज मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC. So we'll apply formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This formula we have already studied in coordinate geometry when I was discussing section and midpoint formula. So coordinate of O, that will be 3, it is minus 1, 3 minus 1 by 2 comma 6 plus 2 by 2. Thus the answer will be 3 minus 1, 2 by 2, it will be 1, and 6 plus 2, 8 by 2, it will be 4. So equation of line is what? Y minus y1. y1 is 4. m is what? Minus 1 into x minus x1. x1 is 1. So thus equation will be y is equals to minus x plus 1, and this 4 will come here plus 4. So we can write plus 5. So this is required equation of line which is passing through required equation of the line BD which is perpendicular to AC. So now the question is, given two straight lines 3x minus 2y equals 5 and 2x plus ky plus 7 equals 0. We have to find the value of k for which these two lines are parallel to each other, first case, and second case these two lines are perpendicular to each other. So it's very simple. If they are given parallel, दोनों का slope will be, the slope of both the lines will be equal, and if they are perpendicular then the product of slope will be what? Minus 1. So we'll find out the value of k accordingly. So we'll first of all reduce this equation in the form of yx, y is equals to mx plus c. So equation is 3x minus 2y equals 5. So y will be 2y equal 3x minus 5, thus y is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2x minus 5 by 2. So for this m1 is 3 by 2. Okay. Now for second line, slope will be 2x plus ky equals 7. So ky is equals to minus 2x plus 7. So y is equals to minus 2 by kx plus 7 by k. In this case, m2 is what? Minus 2 by k. Now we have to find k. Find k. Case 1 is if lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. So if lines are parallel, m1 is equals to what? m2. Thus 3 by 2 is equals to minus 2 by k. So in this case, k will be what? Minus 4 by 3. Case 2, lines are perpendicular. So if lines are perpendicular, that means m1, m2 equals minus 1. m1 is 3 by 2 into minus 2 by k equals minus 1. So this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out, minus minus plus. So k is equals to what? 3. So value of k is 3 if lines are perpendicular, and value of k is minus 4 by 3 if lines are parallel. So this is how we have completed with this chapter, that is equations of straight line, in which we have seen various concepts and we have solved the questions related to all the concepts. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.